now let us move towards the CT scan of thorax at different vertebral level. Before starting with this lecture series, I want to clear 2 points up. The first one is that whatever vertebral level I am mentioning in these lectures are the probable level. Those are not specific level. That is, if the CT scan is of T3, doesn't mean it is proper at T3. It can be somewhat upside down. So those are the probable level. And second thing is that when we are learning a CT, you have 2 options. The first one is learn it by heart without giving it a thought. It's like just learn it, mug it up. Or the second thing is that, or the second option is that, learn the nearby anatomy, learn the structures present at this anatomy, understand it, and then move towards the CT, which is the easier and best approach. So I am going with the second approach. Okay, so let us start with the CT scan of thorax at T1 or T2 level. So before seeing directly with the scan, going with the scan, I want to tell you the sections of aorta at different vertebral level. So this is our T4, this is our T3, and this is our T2. Okay, and then we have our sternum in front. Now let us see the aorta. So the ascending aorta starts at T4, it arches down as an arch of aorta at T3, and it comes down or descends down as descending aorta till T4. So this is our ascending aorta AA, this is our AOA, arch of aorta, and this is our descending aorta DA. Now this aorta throws 3 branches which comes till T2. Okay, so this is the sections of aorta at different vertebral level. Now let us name those three branches of aorta. So the first one is left subclavian. Subclavian artery. Then the second one is left common carotid. And the third one is brachiocephalic artery. Now this CT scan is taken at near the T1 and T2, hence you are going to see another 2 veins. And what are those? So those 2 veins are left and right brachiocephalic veins. Right? Now let us move towards the scan. So before reading the scan, you must know what is the left and the right side. So let us divide the scan into 2 equal halves. Right? So whichever is your right side is the scan's left side, and whichever is your left side is the scan's right side. Okay, so here we are done with the left and the right side. Now let us name the structures. So let us start with this vertebra. So this is our vertebra. Now there is a hypodense structure, it is black in color, so these are, and the lungs are filled with air, so these are our lungs. So these are our lungs. This fifth structure mentioned in this image is trachea. Okay. So now let us just imagine a man. You slice that man, or you are having a cross section at T2 and T3. What are you going to see? You are going to see vertebra. Just in front of vertebra, you are going to see the esophagus or the food pipe. So in this structure, this one is the food pipe or esophagus, and just in front that we have our trachea. Now this trachea is surrounded by 3 branches of aorta, and what are those? The first one is left subclavian. Right, we have just seen. Then we have left common carotid, and then we have our brachiocephalic artery. Right, now we are left with the 2 veins. So whichever vein is on the left side is our left brachiocephalic vein. and whichever is on the right side is our right brachiocephalic vein. This structure in front is our manubrium, right? So you just read all of the CT scans, all of the structures in the CT scan at T1 and T2 level. So we are done at the T1 and T2 level. Here I have a question for you. If you have seen my previous video, please answer this question, is that what is the HU or Hounsfield unit of air? If you know the answer, comment in the section down below, and if you have not seen my previous video, the link in the description below, please go and watch that video and whole of my lecture series on the CT scan of thorax at different vertebral level. Thank you, stay home and stay safe.